Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. This is HP Laserjet Pro M15W. This is HP's smallest, most affordable laser printing ever. It's multifunction. It's kind of multifunctional in the sense that you can actually copy with HP Smart App, send it here and print it out. You can also scan from HP Smart App, send it to the printer and print it out. Okay, you can also print from the app right here and print it out. Okay, this printer doesn't have scanner, but you can print your document from this printer once it's connected via Wi-Fi network. This printer is dual band. Okay, you can look over here. Is Wi-Fi is connected. If it's flashing, okay, it means it's not connected. You can turn this printer on and off. This is the resume button or cancel. This is the Wi-Fi. Okay, this printer is using various paper. Okay, what we have here right now is A4 paper. You can load 4x6 and various other papers and use this holder to adjust it. Okay, so you can actually load the paper you want and use the holder, okay, to adjust it to the particular size. Okay, now I'm just gonna load this back. This is A4 paper. Okay, I want to show you this printer is using 44A toner. Okay, original HP toner. I'm gonna bring this camera for you to see. So it's using 44A original toner. You bring it out this way, okay, and to put the toner back, you go in straight in. If you check my videos how we loaded the toner, so it goes in. Okay, I also want to show you, you need to make sure this, okay, this plastic is actually inside the toner. You need to pull it out. Okay, make sure you pull it out to connect this toner to the printer. Okay, so you can see this blue steady light is for Wi-Fi. The other one is resume. Okay, this is also to turn this printer on and off. Okay, so this is the main switch for this printer. Okay, if you turn it down, you see this for Wi-Fi, resume and start and off button. Okay, here we go. So you want to turn this printer off, you press right here and it will switch off. This is Wi-Fi, resume. Okay, now I want to turn this printer around and show you the on and off button, the power cable and the USB cable where it goes. Okay, at the back here, this printer is very light. You can actually carry this with one hand. Very compact and portable. So this is the power cable. It came with two power cable. Okay, one is 2-pin, the other one is 3-pin. So this is 2-pin. The one that's in here right now is 3-pin for UK use. Okay, also after that, the next spot is USB cable connection spot. So the USB cable goes right here and this section goes to the laptop. This section goes over here. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use this with USB cable without Wi-Fi network. Okay, so this the USB cable goes in here. Okay, I'm gonna take off. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this printer around. What I want us to do is actually, you can see there is no scanner, no printer scanner from this printer, but you can copy a document. If you check my video, you see how we scan a document via the app and send this to this printer and printed it out. Okay, what I want us to do is just to copy a document. Okay, you can take a picture or selfie and print it out once you load the paper tray with correct paper. Okay, what we have here right now, like I said, is A4 paper. I want to show you how you can actually copy document or book. I have this book, Anything You Want by Derek Silver, 40 Lessons of a New Kind of Entrepreneur. I love this book, right? So what we're gonna do is basically go with me from the app. Okay, go to HP Smart App. Okay, if once you are inside HP Smart App, here is the HP Smart App. Okay, and inside this app, right, you will see this is this printer. You can get instant ink private print, printable, short score, mobile fast, camera scan, help and support, print photo, print document, printer scanner. So there's no printer scanner. So if you click printer scanner to scan a document from the printer, it will not work because there's no scanner here. So the next thing we need to do is here is the copy. So we do this from the phone, okay? On the app, click on the copy and the document you want to copy, right? So stick the document you want to copy, okay? You can do this, right? Either automatic or manual. So you select to print automatic or to copy automatic or manual, for instance. So this is the book I want us to copy, okay? Okay, so for us to copy this book, okay, so we have this book right here. So to copy it, you need to make sure you select it properly, okay? The next thing you need to do is click manual. You can adjust it to auto. Now it will start searching, okay? Okay, so that's auto. This is the first one we copied. Okay. Okay, this one. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to change it to manual. Okay. Those ones we copied, if you can select them and delete it, okay? Now the next thing for us is to copy it manual, okay? You select, you move it to manual, okay, and select manual. Now it will start to process. Okay, right now you can select how many copies you want, okay? So if you move the arrow over here, then so this is the first one. You move the arrow. If you don't want this one, you can delete it, okay? You press delete from here, it will delete. This is the second one. Press delete. The third one, press delete, okay? So what we have here, we only have 2 left, okay? Now the next thing you need to do, if you want to print it out, you can select how many copies. You can select up to 9 copies if you want to print it out, okay? Now I only want to print, you can resize it, okay, to fit page, okay? So original page is here. Then the next thing for us to print only 1 copy. You can only print black here because this is lesser, you can only print black color, okay? So the next thing we need to do is click, so we're only printing 1 copy, okay? The next thing we need to do is click start black, okay? Now we already sent this job, it's processing. So this job right now is sent, it will tell you it's sent, so we just need to wait. Okay, so this is how you can copy your document, okay, and send this to this printer. Although there's no printer scanner, but you can still do the job you want. You can still copy, scan, and print from this printer. Okay, so what we're doing right now is just waiting for this document we copied to come out. This is the first one. Okay, so this is the first one. This is how to copy your document with this printer. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, thank you very much, guys. This is how to copy your document. You do all the stuff you want to do from the app. Although there's no printer scanner, but you can still do the job. If you check my videos, you see how we scan the document Right now, what we have done is we copied the document. We also printed a document from the app right here. Okay, so this printer, I will say, is multifunctional because you can do a lot of stuff. We printed out, we copied, we scan from the app, but there's no printer scanner. Okay, thank you very much indeed for watching. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps us to grow. Thank you very much indeed. Stay blessed.